说不懂出来。
这个写的过程难吗？你在写程序的这个过程难吗？
这个现在也不太难。
Well, you may ask, how come a Pakistani student is becoming a technical talent in China? Welcome to this Luban Workshop at Tianjin Modern Vocational Technology College. Mohammad told me he came to China for access to more advanced technology and possible work opportunities.
I've already studied electrical engineering for 6 months at Luban Workshop in my country. My teacher told me to come to China if I want to learn more. So, I came here since 2023.
At a Luban Workshop, Wang and his classmates obtain broad industry training in one room with different modules.
About these sensors.
In this unit we have different kind of sensor, but all is photoelectric sensor.
The workshop's training model can greatly enhance their career competitiveness.
这样的工作在你的国家收入会很高吗？
是的。
就会比平常的收入要高出多少？大概
2倍。
To teach people how to help themselves, rather than mechanically exporting China's model. This is how China promotes vocational education cooperation through multilateral platforms.
It can make a very good impact, as it's very good for the youth of the Pakistan. So as all the future is all about the youth, as the youth, if the youth is strong, the nation will automatically get the strong.
China currently hosts more than 28,000 Pakistani students, making Pakistan China's third largest source of international students. As Pakistani Foreign Minister Mohammad is set to visit China from January 3rd, the Chinese Foreign Ministry said the visit is expected to accelerate the building of an even closer China-Pakistan community with a shared future in a new era.